A. Natural right to live. We don't realize it, but we are choosing to live a life of suffering over a life of happiness and fulfillment. This is not our intention, of course. In fact, most individuals want to have a life full of joy, success, and fulfillment. Still, for most of us, this reality does not manifest. Why is this the case, and how is the law of attraction connected? Anyone can achieve their life goals and fulfill their purpose. Humans possess a natural right to live how they want. But a majority of us are held back and never reach our full potential. This phenomenon of disappointment and struggle is common, but how can we change it? What is causing us to fail? All of this can be explained through the law of attraction. The law of attraction, a philosophical and spiritual law, will change the trajectory of your life. But first, you need to understand what it is. Through this post, we will give you a better understanding of the law of attraction. This way, you can implement it in your daily life. The law of attraction. In essence, the law of attraction deals with the focus of our minds and the energy this focus creates. If we focus on the things we want in life, we will get them. In short, the direction of our thoughts dictates our reality. If we focus on achieving our goals, we will get what we desire. Focusing on what we don't have and how hard things are to achieve will only prevent you from pursuing your dreams. If we examine the core of the law of attraction, we can see where so many people fail in their lives. A lot of individuals have the wrong mindset. As humans, it is natural to feel discouraged about our failures and our place in life. But when we sink into a negative and limited mindset, we hold ourselves back from the life we should be living. We can be our own worst enemies if our minds aren't aimed in the right direction. We can still take our lives back into our own hands. But only if we aim positive energy towards our goals. When we take to heart the principles of the law of attraction and focus ourselves singularly on what we know we can do, that is when our lives begin to change for the better. We should not focus on our limitations and failures, but focus on getting what we desire. If we ask the universe for something, it will answer us back and give us what we want. Manifesting our desires, forces of attraction. The forces of attraction surround us at all times and connect us to the world around us. Everything in our lives is fundamentally connected. We can even see this at the subatomic level. Atoms are created continuously and bonded through the force of attraction. These subatomic particles are the very matter that makes up our bodies and our lives. The same forces that cause this matter to attract and bond not only keep our bodies held together but help keep the planets spinning. The force of attraction helps electrons revolve and orbit one another in an atom. This keeps the atom stable and functioning and also keeps matter intact. This is the same force keeping planets and our sun orbiting one another. In short, the gravitational force of our planets and sun is a force of attraction. And like the planets and the atoms within us, human minds also use the laws of attraction. Our thoughts and actions attract people, situations, and experiences to us. This is precisely why similar people become friends. Or why people who think positively can attract positive life outcomes. Our intangible thoughts create a force of attraction, whether we are aware of this or not. What this means is that we attract what we think about. But how is this possible, you ask? Energy vibrations. The answer is simple: like all other matter in the universe, our thoughts and emotions generate energy. Each thought is powered by the electrical current in our brains. When we use our minds, we generate energy. This energy then creates vibrations in the universe. And these energy vibrations allow us to connect with the world. Every living thing gives off energy and by extension vibration. When we think, feel and act, we are connecting with the energies of other humans and the universe. This connection through energy vibrations isn't just spiritual in nature, but deeply scientific. It relates to the quantum theory of entanglement and the principle of vibration. The principle of vibrations states that the universe is constantly moving and vibrating into different forms of energy. The entanglement theory posits that energy vibration connects all living things in the universe. Understanding even the basics of these principles, we can better direct our lives. With these concepts, we know that our thoughts give off energy. This energy is connected to other energy in the universe. And due to the laws of attraction, similar energy will attract to one another. This explains why we struggle so much. Humans tend to gravitate towards the negative aspects of their lives. We put energy into the negative and thus attract negative energy as a result. If we understand that the energy generated from our thoughts attracts like-minded energy, we can gradually begin to change our behavior for the better. In summary, when we are mindful of our energy, we can shift the attention of our minds and create vibrations that better connect us to our goals. Creating more positive energy in our lives ultimately leads us to better actions and a better life in general.